Laser cleaning machines look almost magical in online videos. Rust disappears, paint vanishes, dirty metal suddenly becomes perfectly clean. But the reality of using these machines is more complicated than most demonstrations suggest. One of the biggest misconceptions is that laser cleaning is point and shoot. It isn't. Every material reacts differently to the laser. Rust behaves differently than paint. Paint behaves differently than coatings or oxidation. That means every job requires its own combination of settings: power, pulse frequency, scanning speed. In many cases, those settings have to be adjusted multiple times while cleaning the same surface. So the machine alone doesn't create the result. The operator does. Another thing that surprises many new buyers is how different laser cleaners can be from each other. A continuous wave laser and a pulsed laser are not just different models, they behave like completely different tools. Continuous wave lasers are typically used for heavier work, like large rust removal or industrial cleaning. Pulse lasers are usually preferred when precision matters and you want to reduce the risk of damaging the base material. Choosing the wrong type can mean spending thousands of dollars on a machine that simply isn't optimized for the work you plan to do. Another reality many new buyers discover is speed. Online demonstrations often show small areas being cleaned very quickly, but when working on larger surfaces, the process can take much longer than expected. Laser cleaning is precise, but precision often means slower production compared to aggressive methods like sandblasting or grinding. This doesn't mean the technology is ineffective, it just means expectations should be realistic. Safety is another topic that rarely gets enough attention. Laser cleaning can produce heat, sparks, and vaporized material. Using it near flammable fumes, like gasoline vapors, can create obvious risks if proper precautions are not taken. These machines are powerful industrial tools, not consumer gadgets. Proper safety procedures are part of using them responsibly. When laser cleaning works well, the results can be extremely impressive. Heavy contamination, oil stains, rust, coatings, all can sometimes be removed with surprising precision. Compared with sandblasting or chemical stripping, laser cleaning can be cleaner, more controlled, and sometimes less damaging to the underlying material. That's why industries like restoration, manufacturing, and automotive repair are increasingly interested in the technology. But interest in the technology has also created another problem. A lot of promotional videos make these machines look like instant business opportunities. Buy the machine, turn it on, start making money. Realistically, it doesn't work that way. Learning the settings takes time. Understanding different materials takes time. Finding customers takes time. Just like with CNC machines, laser engravers, or embroidery equipment, the machine itself doesn't create profit. The business around the machine does. Another thing rarely discussed is the real cost of these machines. A decent laser cleaning system can easily cost anywhere from $8,000 to $40,000 or more, depending on the type and power. And that's just the machine. You may also need safety equipment, fume extraction, proper electrical setup, and sometimes operator training. So before thinking about profit, the real question is simple. How many jobs would it take just to recover the cost of the machine? That's why the most important questions aren't just about wattage or price. The real questions are things like who actually needs this service? How often would they need it? How long would it take to recover the cost of the machine? And how much time will it take to become skilled enough to use it efficiently? Laser cleaning is genuinely impressive technology, but like most industrial tools, the difference between a successful investment and an expensive mistake usually comes down to experience, realistic expectations, and a solid business model.